tap bena da darigi diwadiani be to bola darigi diwadiani clear be thonzo be mola okay darigi diwadiani to bola thanks lo okay la welcome how many centimeters are there in 1/3/4 kilometers selabbe me question de tupkala ani disunga che ani the aptitude question selabe tupni di garalo tubme ani the general knowledge how many centimeters are there in 1/3/4 kilometers selabbe the relationship go ngachi kachi relationship go search in relation de ngachi kilometer da centimeter ki tupkala kilometer da centimeter ki relationship go 1 kilometer is equal to selabbe 100k centimeters से तो बोला 100k centimeters से तानी दिशे को से शुनी तो बोला okay 7175000 इन से में calculators की let's check ला so दानी दिंगा जी convert चप को 1/3/4 मोस्टला clear मजो में लानी 1/3/4 which is same as जी simplify पे वाचन 4 times 1 will give you 4 plus 3 will give you 7/4 मोस्टला 7/4 kilometer में बोला नहीं थी अनि गदे भी थोप चीज़ वाजिन 4 times 1 जब ची 4 मोशला 4 times 1 is 4 दिले अनि product दी plus 3 जब को 7 थोप तो बोला अनि 7/4 kilometer दी the convert जब को so 7/4 times गजी गजी जब नहीं मोसे वाजिन we are going to multiply by 100k तो बोला 100k की multiply जब ना अनि की centimeter जुमला answer कम चिते में तांगा ची आना ता नहीं ला कार की आना जीना 17,500 नहीं में गला 17,500 से ana d janu comment nalu check chi bena la ani di centimeter nalu convert beni la option de ana du so let's check la kandim chi thobe la nga chegi kamji thobe la everybody check conversion de anim chila ma conversion de am chi broken heart join welcome so mo join welcome me la ke jangwang di follow the creator thank you for following la ngai follow back pigi me to bola nga gi limit di masa sense phiula ya ani chila calculate चिन्ह आदि कर जाना ओके calculate everybody calculate चिन्ह आदि कर जाना okay thank you for following Larenje thank you for following okay Chimmy thank you for following yeah ani chi answer kam chithe mela na answer kam chithe me la ani answering la answer di to kola ani multiply chabdulu answer theumla what is the answer la ngagiro begoni memo the answer me timbe ngata wachin ngachi participant mamra ani mapte me nala c is me c ani c di is me answer de to bola answer de c is me correct nala sa check bena gar bena me to bola correct bena so 175,000 centimeter di is me to bola ani di is me ba anim chi so relation de ani kengo to bola relation de 1 kilometer is equal to 100k centimeter se me di to bola option c correct with you last second question na juni mela out of 150 students 30 actually failed 30 actually failed the test how many additional students failed if teacher expected only 20% to fail while preparing the question paper ani vedu question de to bola question de ani vedu gadim ji fail jono so 150 nale 30% fail jono to bola 30% se 30 divided by 100 times 150 mosla te gadim ji fail jono so 0 cancel jo so we have simply 3 times 15 de kamchi to 45 students fail jonola 30% actually is 45 में numbers na पे वजन percentage na पे वजन kamchi में सा वजन 30% में तो बोला 45 दी fail आसनो ते बता ngachi की question set पे होता दी teacher की दी expected only 20% to fail तो बोला अनि पे होता लो if teacher expected only 20% to fail पे वजन how many additional student fail सब पे तदा ngachi के पे वजन 20% से होगा 20% से ना so 20 over 100 times 150 जब ना तो बोला तानी जब 0 cancel जो ना 0 नहीं मोशला so 2 times 15 की कम चीज़ जो 13 students थी ते मापा teacher की थी fail आने में चीज़ जो से नो ना बोला ते बता कम चीज़ जो नो सर्जन 45 जो नो so how many additional students fail से ला बचन ते कौन ने की difference है नहीं तो बोला difference थी कम चीज़ जो difference नहीं चाहिए ला 45 minus 30 तो बोला 45 minus 30 कम चीज़ में 15 students additional 15 students fail थे नो ला मापा teacher की थी ते at the max the 30 fail थे नहीं थेम बे में वाला questions होता ते बता कदम ची fail थे नो सो 45 fail थे नो so additional कम ची थे नो सो 15 students fail थे नो तो बोला so option बे वचन 15 students में सिचुएशन तो बोला 15 students fail थे नो सिचुएशन 92 यास नो ओके टैप बेना में तो बोला शर बेना में टैप बेना दिले तानी दी जी मोला ना बगी तानी दी first two questions इन तो बोला first two questions in engagement chi bege gara boom se chuna to gala boom se chuna gara gi ngagi pat kechilo andisu gara comment dina boom se boom 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 gara comment ya comment chi nadi karchana gara dir tandia comment ya boom 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 gara chuna sha boom sa chuna da nagini aptitude tami irum meru gara gi chuna la sa chi boom 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 se okay thank you yeah bedeme boom okay bem okay boom boom okay namso kariche bede okay boom okay boom okay 88 yeah boom 88 tatu chekara ma boom nasha boom okay boom circle and radian okay tube yeah boom circle and radian yeah boom yeah onde yeah boom onde okay 70 shares as no boom yeah gari boom yeah boom dar sachi boom okay kariche so anim chime to bola question the next thing achi kachina joni masojin question number 53 na joni to bola 53 large doge asno sala ta 53 na joni to bola 53 ki question de ani bidu a person buys a piece of tablecloth se labbe to bola person gi a piece of tablecloth chi buy base ma with a mark price the kam chi message mp mark price to bola mark price the kam chi message null term 300 be mark be janwa mark price the mosla at 20% discount so khogi ani person digi buy be odadi 20% discount na banaba so his cost price is going to be cp equal to tambranga 20% of 300 kamji na ngachi she go to bola 20 divided by 100 times 300 mosla kamchi thobela ani cancel jo so you get 20 times 3 which is equal to kamji me 60 so discount 60 be jab no bola hoi discount 60 thobe baano ani be the cost price the kamchi jo so 300 minus 60 jab the 240 be baano to bola hogi no the sum da di kadim china sum ba chin dani me go sme ba so that you get 20% profit thop go ba chin sme at what price should he sell the tablecloth to make 20% profit says 20% profit ani thoka thop go ba mostly 20% di profit ani thoka thop go ba ani be the 20% of 240 se ni to bola karagi 20% of 240 which is 20 divided by 100 times 240 se jab ni rahin la jam to hi kangal gane ami tani be the kamchi thobe 2 times 24 thobe 2 times 24 will give you 48 to bola 48 so 48 the profit be thop go bola so ani be the selling price the kamchi deu so cost price ki thokalu 240 ki thokalu 20% the 48 me so 48 the nalu jab go be ani add be the selling price the kamchi deu 240 plus 48 will give you 288 se to bola 288 jimme se so he should sell at null term 288 to bola 20% profit thop go bachin so ani the answer the 288 imes shuni to bola anim chimela okay the next no juni in the mathematics exam a student divides the number by number chi se ba number chi se number the divide chame se bachin student gi number the x pe jage to bola x pe jage so divide chame ba divide number by 3 by 4 se lab mein to bola when he is supposed to multiply the number by actually he is supposed to multiply the number this number x by 4 by 3 se labbedu what is the percentage of error in his answer no error gamchi theu se me wala instead of dividing multiplying number by 4 by 3 he divided number by 3 by 4 so error ega as me ba percentage error the error ani gi banalu answer nalo error honga me honga se me ba dia daro percentage na be fine be ko be tigadim chi mo se me tani be dalu example ji jingi to bola ani nalo dikheba gane mila answers will be same anale theme answer the chora the be deung gachi be sa china division china multiplication deba da reciprocate jab na ba analo 3 by 4 mean afalu gachi me 4 over 3 answer same be deung to bola pe be agi 20 se number the 20 imagine 20 divided by gachi take benela ngagi 3 by 4 mola 3 by 4 20 divided by 3 by 4 the 20 multiplied by 4 by 3 chabachin answer chora thebe theu to gala ani answer chora thebe theu ani bendigi the error the 0% deung se to gala 0% answer same be theu la tinalu jaba me la to gala chi the divide chab me deba da tanga chi fraction di tawachin reciprocate be diba be bola ana the 3 by 4 palu the 4 over 3 ne bodalu answer the chora thebe theu se shuni to gala answer the 0% to gala the error the 0% be theu se to gusla tinalu jurwa gane me ba deung la तानी बदलु your error will be 0% तो कला आनिम चिदियों से शुनी हगोई मो लगा रही अनि कैलकुलेटर ना दिकर चानल नागी कैलकुलेटर ना तो प्लाने 20 divided by the bracket open bebe 3/4 chap तले 20 times bracket times माच बरो तो ना वो bracket open bebe 4/3 chap जे आंसर ती चोरा थे पर थियों से जुदा तो कला ani chila which grade la that the aptitude for B8 la B8 ngachi B8 graduates se sugitan lo in se shoda to kala okay thank you for following to kala yeah next na juni the next na the 55 na to kala 55 na juni share juni me to kala 55 yeah 55 de ani do 55 na di ani be tu point P is on the line AB se la be to kala line AB se tu bola line A and line B se di do the point P the anai se meba the measurement the majme A the P की बानालु measurement de kane majme to kala so common exam class 8 la common exam class 8 की नामना से थेउला which of the following is always true syllable the gadi demba do se meba anajinale the AP is equal to PB syllable AP is equal to PB syllable the ani demba do ka se ani demba mi to kala because P is the midpoint syllable majme wala midpoint syllable chin then this is true to kala midpoint syllable so they are just saying point P is on the line AB mushla ani bendigi the ani achigi ani the true man se shodo to bola information gara min do bola then AB syllable the AB is always greater than PB se dinola PB se mushla the AB di ani machi whole line me bola the PB di part of this whole line ani badalu ani the true do se juni to bola AB se do taro AB is less than AP plus PB syllable ani meden bala AB should be equal to AP plus PB ongola ani meden tele AP is greater than PB ani ngachi mishela lab mishi kachipesa chin nalu measurement tiktibe jinjim me bade ani badalu AP is not always equal to PB to bola ani the answer the chongo chin this line AB is greater than PB this is always true to bola ani di correct answer message ni to bola nagi correct answer di ani me hela the PB shuachin ngachi PB majrutum ne mabandi the karagi zisa meba this line PB is obviously less than AB bedabadi musla so AB is greater than this AB is greater than PB se atara ani bideu ani bodalu dinalu namsme proof bego pane mindu sishuni to bola last the next question na joge next question na tap design na to bola 7 k asno shares na mai share to bola share tok share 73 shares do okay share tok to tane na go mela gar yeah the ani bidula in a class 3/4 of the boys like math se to bola 3/4 gidi math gaye se me bola math gaye ani di math gaye lo me math to bola math dele 1/2 gidi 1/2 gidi gachi gaye se wachin science gaye se me bola science the 1/4 of those who like science selabe mola science gaminale there 1/4 selameba do not like maths dula so 1/4 of those who like science imega of sevganle tangaji multiply chabu to bola multiply chabu 1/4 of 1/2 the those who like science mosla ani ki di gachi mega sevajin math mega se me bola math mega se meaning the ani 1/4 of 1/2 the gachi message khongi de gachi ga ase only science ka vela only science to kala only science ka ase me ba khongi de only science ka ta ani bidol ngachi gi nalu multiply chap ta wachi kamchi theu so chin 1 times 1 is 1 over 1 4 times 2 is 8 be deun to kala only math the only science the 1 over 8 me to kala great se ani di B8 ki don la da B8 exam mo la ko date 9 le RCS exam do la ani ki don lo se do la so 1 over 8 ki di only math me la only science to bola only science the ani the science mosla science kami te ani na le only science te ani me bola only science te to bola tele math di anim chi dula math kami di 3 over 4 do se to bosla tangachi gi anyway lolchi Venn diagram dini anyway to bola Venn diagram d be beni lolchi fraction strip zo be do so only science the kadim chi do sajin 1 over 8 to bola only science the 1 over 8 ani the science pe wajin only science the 1 over 8 only math ta ki to bola only math le and both kami the kadim chi yoga ani ta ho bola ngachi so both kami kadim chi on sajin da science kami di 1 over 2 do mola science kami di kam chi do ana dige mela ana dige so both gami the gamchi dion saje both will be equal to science gami the gamchi to sajin 1 over 2 mosla ani nale only science the gamchi me minus 1 over 8 me bola 1 over 8 to bola only science be bodalu tangachi gamchi thop anal denominator same zo ani be wachin will get 4 thop ani be 3 over 8 thopla so both gamidi 3 over 8 se example ani be sugyan to bola 3 over 8 lalu chi gidi ani fraction strip ya use pe me 3 over 8 the only math the gamchi diyo sa wachin math minus both minus math chabru to bola or math minus both chabru to mushla so ani the both to bola the only math tani mela only math the gamchi thiyo so chin only math the math gami gamchi so chin 3 over 4 minus both gami the gamchi so chin 3 over 8 mushla ani bodal gamchi thop so chin nale daro 4 times 2 chapko mola 6 minus 3 over 8 se top which is 3 over 8 so only math game gamchi do sajin 3 over 8 se to bola 3 over 8 se do the next sketch beni masaj anim chi gara add beni langa chi ni gara only and both add both gamchi top sajin chi gi 3 plus 1 the denominator the gara 8 me bola 8 mosla gamchi top machi 7 over 8 ani di yan science gami yan math gami yan ni chara gami gi the fraction de animchi thobelanga chi inruranga chi gachi chegobe sawajin how many boys like neither math nor science labbe the magami me bola na math ya magami science ya magami ani di kadimchi mo simela question gi ani di kadimchi mo se sani be odalu ani di simply we have to subtract by 1 to bola 1 minus 7 over 8 se chabne to bola 1 minus 7 over 8 which is equal to the denominator same so 1 over 8 se to bola answer di so answer di gadim chi message 1 over 8 me to bola 1 over 8 the lology ki soso be benio the lology ki soso be ani fraction strip use chabbe benio nagi de ani be bejai to bola inura na upload page au na bu compare be ta ni mela yeah the next question de gachi du sawajin shar joni to bola dawa science se dola dawa science a contract with his employer to work for a month 30 days work benefit no contract chi sign base me to bola and will be paid nil term 200 per day to bola 30 days na me bola 30 days he is going to work for 30 days and he'll be paid nil term 200 per day to bola per day pay benimela however if he is absent his employer will deduct nil term 20 to bola absent be wachi gachi pe sajin absent de wachin nil term 20 deduction is me ba to bola deduction is me anim chi jinul wachi information to bola now at the end of the month if he earns 4900 the end of the month nalu di end of the month nalu khogi gadim chi thopno sajin khogi tru gam chi thopno sajin 4900 jam chi thopno mabadi kho gam chi thop gola actually kho gam chi thop go the 30 days work be machine he'll get 30 times 200 mola which is equal to 6000 thop ko lakho nil term 6000 at the end of the month tebe the ko gachi benu the 4900 cham chi thop no meaning he was absent mo absent de no ba ko the absent in bachin absent gadim chi days de no se analu divan ani vacation absent for how many days se me bola how many days was dawa absent from his work se labbe analu jinjanula tum kola da ngachi gachi pe ko sen ani ni gi bana difference ko langa chi tum kola ani ni gi bana difference de gamchi tu 6000 minus 4900 anim chi jab dalu ngachi thobe 1100 nol ram anim chi deficit du mola 1100 tangachi ko nimchi absent de wachin if he is absent per day ko absent de wachin deduct gadim chi jong sajin one day absent de wachin he'll not get nil term 200 method mosla plus he'll be imposed with nil term 20 as penalty be phom bola ani be dalo khoi gamchi nimchi nalu la nimchi absent de wachin ti khogi mangil lu thoga dimchi phobe sajin 220 nil term di thobo be sijuni to bola 220 thobo me ani be dalo gachi be go sajin number of days will be number of days the gachi de sajin simply have to divide 1100 by 220 ani divide chapter ngachi gamchi thobe sajin 5 days thobe to bola he was absent for 5 days thobe 5 days mela 00 cut jo the 11 2 is 22 11 1 0 so 5 10 divided by 2 is 5 mosla the 5 days the ko absent de no session to bola 5 days the absent de no session la the next na joge 58 na to bola 58 na ani bidu yang chen runs mola yang chen runs 5 kilometer towards north na joini me wala first ra yang chingi 5 kilometer north na joini me wala 5 kilometer ya ta juni me la ya ta juni me and then turns right se gale now ta mosla right di now ta imade mosla and right na lu turn beni me turn bebe walk gadim chi beni message 4 kilometer walk be mos me then she takes another right turn the right turn be gale daro na ta mosla right turn be gale matara hongobe tele runs 5 kilometer lola daro 5 kilometer run beni me mo dele gach me how far is she from the starting point the mo ana di ba de mosla starting point de ani me starting point di the mo ana di the ani distant de gadim chi du se de la bigi lo me ma pa ani distant de gadim chi du se gadim chi ongon me la ani distant di gadim chi ongon me ani distant di na bugi lejim be ziwachin gadim chi ongon me ngagi de ani be hagoi da tane be be odadi so it will be 4 inch like 4 mola and rectangular shape na joma ba de mosla rectangular shape na jome ani bodalu if this is 5 this is 5 if this is 4 then this should be 4 se mosla achi ani bodalu 4 kilometers se ongo mosla answer digam chongo 4 kilometers se ongo be se shini to kala 4 kilometers se okay the next na juni me question ya tap tap saji zena sha kara tap tap zep chinga chiga ni life te achi an jome ba tap tap saji to 20 areas no 30 cents ka are tap dir tan tana to gola tap tap saji zena ya 77 shares do share mana me so share saji zena to gola okay saji ya to saji ka are tap tap na ya tap tap ya 8.8 areas me 8.8 areas ya tap na sha tap so the to anim chi judui ya tap ya thank you Jimmy for sharing okay thank you kangaroo for sharing yeah thank you for following Don Chime girls and join yeah tap yeah the end of jump so thank you for sharing yeah tap share tap challenge complete okay thank you challenge complete asilo okay those you want to sir thank you for sharing Don sharing thank you for sharing me like it's me okay PT thank you for sharing yeah share gar ani bizena shla share zena okay we are going yeah 12 there 100k the zoro zone to bola 100k zone me there to bola ngagi gachbi on 2 minutes break nalu na bagi tap zena ne to bola tap zena that 13 ya 29 ya 1 more minute dilinga ji share join to bola 1 more minute okay 1 more minute talk thank you everybody for sharing magi nale na bagi senteng ge sate ya message nam se me do yeah tap yeah tap yeah 14 yeah coming up Ghost thank you for sharing ghost okay KZ join lapel then Dupa join okay welcome everybody welcome aloha thank you for following okay welcome everyone pasang thank you for following yeah thank you everybody thank you okay 30 cents tap 30 cents tap so every time we take a break we'll tap for 2 minutes ani 2 minutes na halam chi betch ba nga chi mosla 17 ya seta me nga chi gadim chi zo so be chi nga chi 7 8 na jam chi de so by nim chi be da we are doing about gam chi me da halam 10 de chi cha do me nga chi okay thank you 30 years so next question na jani thank you for tapping the next question is 56 na mo 56 okay 56 is not here so 56 the gatim da 58 में 59 ना जो मोला 59 ना जो बोला 59 आना 59 देना डिजाइन बातें आगे ओके 59 okay yeah 59 डालना दो तो बोला 59 डालना दो okay if a boarding school buys selappe x kilograms of vegetables selappe दो तो बोला at nultram so x kilogram kgs of vegetable lo niltram gamchi lab me sa niltram p se what would be the cost of cost of buying y kilograms of vegetables do to gala so gachi she go so x kilogram lo niltram p imagine 1 kilogram lo gadim chi na ani dikhen go to gala 1 kilogram lo gamchi deu p divided by x se chapni chira hin to pushla the y kilograms lo be gamchi deu la y kilograms lo ani di price of 1 kg deu bala p over x is the price of 1 kg and y kg se gachi be go we simply need to multiply p by x times gachi chap go so times ani y di chap go to gala ta ani be ngai simplify be wa gamchi to p times y p y se thop tele divided by gachi so jinga chilo x which is or ani be rutuba p y over x la pe to gala ani be la azu mo ba chinde we just have to find the price of 1 kg to 1 kg ki price ti se ba nga che 1 kg ki price ti kam chi deung sa chin you'll get p over x pe deung to bola ta ani be dalu option be je py over x se me deung to bola anzu ma ma chin atara 1 kg ki price se na to bola 1 kg ki price ti ka de chong sa chin amount divided by number of kgs ti suni to question da ani su shim na le gach be ko se ani price ti 1 kg ki price you just have to multiply with whatever number of kgs we have with the price we obtain to kala hanim chi benango se ishuni la thank you everyone for following namis sami follow be ani benande namsam kari che to kala okay we are done with 59 to kala 59 zosi the next thing achigi 60 mola 60 okay 69 me okay 60 na joni me na okay 60 me na 59 as zina to kala to 59 zina na 59 zi joni me ta anim chi ba na 60 di Ati as here is 60 the divide the okay 60 on do la 60 on do yeah screenshot nangoro na me to bola which class sir that to the ngachi graduates ke den la graduates ke den lui ara rcc ke den la khong rcc ke den to bola okay the next question na joni ani di ngachi next question into bola ani be wachin question number 60 to bola question number 60 di me the gachilab me sa student got twice as many questions wrong semeba as he got right semeba so khogi answer 5 correct jo achin they khogi 10 the wrong jo jeme because they are saying twice sedoba twice se labe gale 10 mola tani be dalu 2000 se doba gachi 2000 in mola student got twice as many questions wrong as he got right semeba la dekho question chi right jo achin question ni wrong jo deme the question ni wrong jo achi question ji wrong question ni right jo achin question chi right jo achin ni wrong jo de me tu gala dele ni right jo achin for wrong jo de me la khogi ani be tu bala if he attempted 84 questions lo bala total questions the kam chi du sa total questions the kam chi du sa 84 mostla so 84 questions do 84 questions nale how many did he solve correctly selabe correct answer ti chago to bola so ngaji ki meshibe correct answer the x pe shawa chin mosla correct the x pe shawa chin wrong the gadim chi deula 2 times x pe deula because we know that twice se do ba demola 2 times x pe deu tani bodulu x plus ani correct answer plus incorrect answer 2x should give you 84 saying bola 84 se to bola so x plus 2x will give you 3x is equal to 84 so divide on both sides by 3 to remove this x 3 me osla x the gam chi thop sa chin 3 2 is 6 2 na bong 3 8 24 so correct answer the correct gadimchi be questions 84 is nale gadimchi ko correct gadimchi ko correctly be solve beno sa chin 28 the solve beno se to bola 28 ko ge correctly be solve beno se me to gusla nimse me goto na ogane mindula no 28 the correctly be solve beno se lalu chi na idea you know okay thank you everyone for sharing the life okay thank you for following as well the next na joni to bola at the end of teachers workshop all 7 participants shake hand with each other ani khasa be mo each other once the bera be how many handshakes are there in total ya karagi da ani answer the nabagi suna to kola nabagi suna ani the 28 21 49 ime and then 14 ime what is the answer la what is the answer 21 21 10d semedi 21 ya shemigi gade modela b okay b 20 gar kheme mola gar kheme khasa jam ju jai mo agi kachi bego number of participants take bego c and handshake bene dalo mini go bade mosla mini go ani dalo 2 take bego gola 28 se su janu lalu ji 21 in to gola answer the 21 ani di calculator na chabna to gola karagi khasa ngai shortcut che na bulu shu mola 7 dele shift app dele ncr simedi app dele gachi bego ngachi 2 simedi app go to gola ani app chi gachi bego ngachi answer the tham transfer the to gola the 28 se dinu 28 in amena ta gitu gola 7 factorial jab go 2 factorial jab go mabani be la ni di jamtong to yin to gola ani be mabadi ana 2 do badi mola ani be 7 times 6 sense jo to gola divided by 2 se jab ni chirai ani 2 to gola ani 2 labdadi ani 2 the factors te onlo to gola na factors kadim chiga divided by 2 the formula na rahi ani be gam chi top 7 ana 3 top 7 times 3 is 21 to gola 21 handshake sing la 21 handshake sing isu jo to gola Okay, da ngache 62 na juni to bola 62 na juni screenshot benime maba ani di da garagi ken la da anzu mama jindi jamdong da be tangome la na bagi. Okay, the next question is 62 na juni to bola 62 na juni 62 na zai time de shar jode sada 62 na to bola 62 na sai mo la garagi. Okay, zai ya 114 little zoom in la okay the zoom in zero anim chire memre age asichi anim chi zone demo anim chi zawachi tubni demena age adjust the betuba nalo am chi tubemo am chi bejage okay oh 61 begoimo 61 be okay 62 na the 62 na ani do. A school arranges annual picnic for students and teachers. For every 20 students, a teacher is assigned to look after them. The ratio ratio 20:1. For every 20 students, there should be a teacher to look after them. If there are 672 people at the picnic, 672 people at the picnic, how many teachers were present at the picnic? The teacher gadimchi do similar teacher gadimchi do se ani khen gop jiramela tangachi gachi bego sawajin dambara ngachi add beni to anzu ratio give add beni, so 20 plus 1 will give you 21 20 plus 1 will give you 21 tangachi gachi chego be sawaji how many teachers la number of teachers chego bala tani badal number of teachers the ratio be wajin teacher chi me bade musla, so simply 1 divided by gachi take beni mo 21 to bola times total number of people the multiply chapni chirain to bola 672 answer gamji thobela now is ina calculate chabachin gamji thobela gamji thobe 34 lo saji zina la 34 ina mena saji zina okay 32 is bola 32 ongo semela teachers 32 to bola teachers 32 tele aludi teacher reregi da ani nalu alu shipchure alu khechire tago semela ani tikti theonla answer is 32, so answer the 32 ime to bola 32 ime sujune la thani boda 672 top langa chi ani be benichirai la jamtong to ni to bola anim chirai sishudo to bola la so okay the next na joke next na joche ani do next na joche use the following excel sheet to answer the question syllabus to bola multiply se me bola multiply a1 syllabus a column de ana me bola a b c and d se tu tele rows na lo be numbering chap jano 1 2 and 3 multiply a1 se me bola a1 de gach me 9 mola a1 di 9 me a1 is equal to 9 ani khengo ba a1 is 9 to bola with b2 lola b2 is 3 b2 is 3 so ani multiply chapna se mela damara 9 times 3 will give you 27 mosla dele add the result with d3 d and 3 the 8 me bola so d3 the kamchi message d3 is 8 and result the 8 the chikalo add bena simela so ani the 27 the yalu add be the kamchi top searching 35 mosla 35 to be sime then divide by c2 simil gachmo c and 2 7 mosla c and 2 segan ani na me bola so we have to divide by c2 is 7 so 35 divided by c2 so ani divided by 35 divided by 7 chapni reme bola answer the kamchi thema searching 5 themela 5 to bola answer the kamchi me 5 me ani the just ngachi logically father ngachi excel sheet na read be the gadi be ani bera be go be mela andi we know how to read the excel sheet mola ani read be thang di ngachi khembajin jamdong do be chobe to bola anim ji to be shinila 63 is also moshla la so 63 is also kale ngi camera de achi yara be gonde yeah okay yeah so simela 8 ki ina la tatu dinga che graduates ki bedomela 8 ki men la okay the 141 ya moshla the kamche ase nga che 24.1 ya smol tani be the 2 minutes to bola 41 ase 43 tap zena to bola 43 sense tap zena 100 k joge because ngachin ben be go mola na live din na boye shugobe tani be the just tap 2 minutes pe ngachi tap che zo be ani be to bola 24.5 do ngachi tap cha 2 minutes be the halam 10 k 11 k na jo ta me ba ngachi yes yes la rcs main exam gi in la rcs main exam gi se shudo mela ya gar tap to bola 2 minutes bene to bola 42 hours to 44 cents bege to bola yeah tap ngai ani music disu gane mi me shendi music re chu bachi na bai to thene mo music sap bani bi suda bachin please la tubla 8 ki paper ngai beon la na bana se beon this chi tengi to bola ngai this chi tengi this chi ten be ngai ga ara solve beon la na lo ting yeah tap na mai to bola tap na de krishna tap na de kar chana tung that's 28 as the I teach in remosla tubla tub 10 ge beon la 10 ge beon the share is na me gara 130 shares as no thank you everybody jai age share chi be jai to kala age share chi be jai thank you welcome everybody welcome gara jumal 100 me gara lo jumal 100 shudo okay the 9 juni be 10 sin to bola the 10 sin se beni ma 10 sin zero question hanam chi judo wachin then we'll stop to bola okay thank you for sharing la thank you for sharing zena men nam so kari che nalu nga che mo la mi dajin chi jung te kachi zum ya shu de bo te nga gi honlen ga ngomi da nalu ngomi ge mi she mo la irura de nabu gi nalu chama to na metel nam sam kari che nabu gi share ze na metel nam sam kari I have a question that I could not attend. Thank you la thank you I have a question that I couldn't understand la tubla ani personal ta na to la message bena la hamago mi disagar message bena langai she mi dis explain de ma she bachin phat de che bena lu shuge to la ani begela okay ya share tap 44 as mola 33 as the most langa chi sachiguro 33 joi bade anim chi jome mola chi yeah next question joge to bola anim chi emaila last next question be wachin da anim do to bola anim do last year the customs at Paro International Airport seized 120 people involved in gold, antiques, and then restricted plant smuggling. If the ratio of those three crimes are 5:2:3 respectively, how many of them were caught for antiques smuggling? Ani the ratio game mola the ratio. They the khasum bedu chora te brain to kula the chigizumbe kadibenango tangachi nabu kendo mola. The chingachi gachi pay la dambra ngachi add be mola ne gamchi thobla add be 5 plus 2 plus 3 gamchi thob 10 thobe mola 10 imemembela 10 thobe dele ngachi gachi pe ko sachinda focus the gachi mela how many of them were caught for antiques said mola antiques was 2 mola ani 2 divided by total chagulo to bola total ratio times total number of people chapne nahi to bola 120 kadim chi themmela ngachi answer gamchi themme jamto to mola 2 times 12 में 24 में ला 24 दे antiques smuggling की दोनों जोनों तो बोला antique ना कच्ची ना माशीदा आनिम चीज़ों नो से शुने तो बोला 24 दे जोनों से thank you ला the next question ना जो आजे अनिबिदु you are facing north से में बोला north face पे दी ये से में ला आना मीची पा draw बेगे तो बोला north face पे दी से में north ना तो बोला north ना face पे दी से then gachpenimo soje second turn 90 degrees left se labbe turn 90 degree left labbe gale ta second nalu de gachpenimo sojin che 90 degree left honda turn beni me to gala left honda mosla left nata imade mola left se dumela ta ani be gale west honda lu turn beno se to gala west honda turn beno then turn 180 degrees right se gale 180 se gale gachipe gola ta phata turn be 180 degree de gadi be dongla 180 degree di na on ta jogo de mosla 180 degree line be ongo bade the 180 degree right on the gini me tani be dulu is on the joni me is on the direction to gola reverse the direction se me bola taro and reverse the direction se labingal gachi moda reverse the direction the chi is on to go dinu the log di daro west on to go se me wala dele gachi bego se turn 90-degree left se labe the 90-degree left turn bego wala the 90-degree left gati mola 90-degree left di 90-degree left se gati on to jogola anale now to ngo mola 90-degree so now the me wala anbe odlo south on to face pe ma to gola dele reverse the direction se do to gola reverse the direction se wala gati mela reverse the direction the chi mata tu the ya ta me mola so in which direction are you facing se dula laluji is se du ngagi di north thobe to bola nabu sachi jina ngagi di north se thobe nabu gi sachi ngalo sona to bola ngagi di north se thobe to bola damar gaji be mo se you are facing north mosla then turns 90-degree left se ngale now to gi go bola now to mosla the left on the baji west on the me the turn 180 degrees right se ngale nale thak the 180-degree gi ngale is show mosla is the leg gaji be go se reverse the direction is ki the direction phata me bola reverse base on na to ngo ani be the east the west na jo the leg gaji be mo se turn 90-degree left se left the mata jogo the 90-degree left se south ngo be then reverse the direction se gole mata du the yata jogo bola ani be the north thobe se shuni to bola question paper dila se gaji namola north la I am getting north sure la north thobe se shuni to bola ngagi north thobe se shuni na bugi sachi jina mela north thobe okay now Pema thought of a number syllable next question juni to bola Pema thought of a number she added 7 to 8 se meba number chi thing base meba number chi thing base ngagi the x pe thing jani to bola then ani ki thokalu gachi base 7 add base me and then multiplied the result by result the gachi multiply chapchi se 3 ki multiply chapchi se do to bola so ani sentences ni gira anim chi thobe ngachi next she took away 5 se meba ta ani mabe hema ngai multiply chap ki to kula multiply chap da kam chi tho 3x plus 21 3 times x will give you 3x 3 times 7 will give you 21 tele took away se gale minus chap go bala subtract be go mostly took away se ngana che ngachira na le 10 ba me ba derogi they took away 5 se ta ani ba da kam chi thop se 3x plus 21 minus 5 will give you 16 se thop se mostly and finally divide it by 4 tele divide by 4 chap go se me ba to get an answer of kamchilo 7 thop go se me answer de to kala anim chi jin janu langa chilo the gaji pe was khani cross multiply chap ni chirai 4 times 7 to bola 3x plus 16 equal to 4 times 7 will give you 28 se to bola 28 se ju tele 3x will be equal to 28 and 16 di phata bani rai minus 16 se to bola so 3x will be equal to anagam chi thobe se jinga chi 1 2 se thobela so divide on both sides by 3 and the x is equal to gam chi thobe se 4 thobe to bola 4 thobe se shuni so number de gachi me se number di 4 me se shuni to bola number di 4 me se shuni anim chi me lama ba te lalu chi gi ti ro reverse order na beni silab de dise 4 times 7 chap mosla 28 minus 5 chap 28 minus 5 chap dalu anyway 28 minus 5 is 23 dechi mola 23 then multiplied next she multiplied by 3 and then to anything gadibi na mashi khongi down to top syllab bands method che chapni syllab khasalab de ngalu mabngi answer di ngagi di 4th hobela 4 to gola 4th hobe answer de to gola answer di 4 me es shuni la anything ngagi sentence lab be ani algebraically zoi delan le solve be to gola ani beni chi dula ani be thobe shuni ya da next na joge to gola next na jo acha ani medu class graduates email and this graduates ki delni c is 4 years older than b same wala c di the b gi di ngachi mi she mola b gi di x pe jage to c di gamchi deon so chin 4 years older se galne x plus 4 se deon mosla but b di gachi me se c is 4 years older than b me ba 4 years but c di gachi me se 2 years younger than a 2 years younger than a se la bingale a di gadim chongo be a di x plus 6 hongo be to gola because 2 years younger se 6 minus 4 mola 6 minus 4 will give you 2 while b and d are twins lola b the d di twins in similar twins b the d di nimadawa to gola by how many years is a older than d similar a di b the chep dalu gadim chi gi older me similar jam to ila ni subtract beni chi rain to gola x plus 6 the a ki h mosla minus b the d ki chora the bete mo x mosla x cancel jo 6 years in to bola ani di cancel much of to ta uchi rashi ngachi to bola so 6 years ki khaba the do se shuni to bola a the d banalu a the 6 years older than d me se shuni la anim chi mela tup kala ya 39 as no isla 40 ra as no med ngachi musla so 51 52 53 meda ya good ngachi tap na no mela kara ki tap na no namsam kadi che da 67 asi now I'll go to question number 68 na to bola 68 na chuni ya 68 na di ani me do mela thank you zai na bu ki tuk na de namsam kadi che namsam kadi che la 39 40 joni bela 40 joni bela okay share as na de namsam kadi che 152 shares he no namsam in da ngachi ki life ti namsam meaningful ve jode la meaningful ngara samba zoto to samba zobe de na bu ki ani be share na gara ti na lu del to ze de ani be lu namsam samba zokto to me se joni to kala garo lu namsam kadi che ngara ge share be namsam kadi che mela share ze na me dulu so 41.8 as no ngachi ki ta jodo langa 100k di zora zone me bola chantong to be ta ngachi 68 na joni to bola 68 na joni in a class se labbe du to bola thank you me lagara lu kadi che thank you for sharing me la e equal to mc square join lo s join lo welcome everybody welcome datu jeme disulu gar lu jamal ek so yi gar gi share chize na tap chize na to kala ani datunga gi dumra chi na gi ngi gi live gi kole dumra chi shuwa chin this live is for students to kala maths lab min desu gi delni tani section wise pe to kala dari gi pe wajin ro graduates gi delni rcs gi delni tenga china na se class the board exam cha min desu gi delni thong so je to kala okay la the 68 na be wachani be du to kala the 68 na in a class there are 5 students from katile du so je parole to kala parole gadimchi du surgeon 5 students du seme tashi gangle gadimchi du surgeon tashi gangle 4 students du seme dele thimpule gadimchi du surgeon thimpule 6 students du seme dele sarbangle gadimchi du surgeon sarbangle tenga chilu 3 students du seme bala so what is the probability selabe na probability gi question chi me bala that if you pick 2 students they are not from Lindsay selabe Lindsay de era mindu bade ya question na mindu mola Lindsay de question na mindu taani badalu not from Lindsay selabe dubala taani answer de gacho ne mindu probability ki answer de gacho ne mela good one sir ji la hope everyone shares la lasso thank you la Karalu Jamaluk Suimela. Thank you for sharing. Answer the Gamchi on me Junila. D cannot be determined law. Laluchigi. Goski. Okay, good try. D sime. Oh, okay. Tubla. Answer the not from Lindsay Sevgan. Lindsay nale thobra methop singachi. Netik bishiva de mola. Netik bishila. Anibada sure in lani sure. Your when you pick 2 students from Lindsay Zongkha sela bigane not from Lindsay Zongkha sevgane ngachi 2 student pick beuda Lindsay Zongkha nale de methop se ngetik bisheba de ngachi ngetik bishela sure in la tani beuda lu tani di si be de to bola 1 de to bola sure in la ni sure because you are sure that there are no students from Lindsay that is why you are sure to know that you will not get student from Lindsay Zongkha se sure be bola and bendigi sure events ki probability atara 1 ongo seshuni to bola sure ki 1 ongo to bola the 0 be wach gachi on so 0 be wachin is this math class yes la math class in 0 be wach gachi on so 0 di nam ngachi dam to be go so impossible na lu be wachin 0 example be wachin the example atara ani jiung langa ki sun rising from west sela bachin mojla Dahani di impossible bedo bola. Anzum ki probability imagine 0 hongo to bola. Tebe datu zum ji baji gachme not from Lindsay Zongkha hemale mi bade. Ani badalu student from Lindsay Zongkha le thopni ki gokobra mi ngachi ki sure in si ani badalu answer the C hongo to bola. Answer the C hongo si juni la. Sir files for life for board exams graduates la but for home exams he will upload videos yes la true okay anim chi to bola anim chi si jodo the 69 na juni 69 na lu juni 69 na lu jodo ani vi hola 69 gidi la so 69 gidi ani du to bola 69 gidi ani du if 3x plus 2y equal to 9 and 5x minus y equal to 2. Find the values of x and y. Ansum question watching agidi chin the nabulu the solve bedi and the 10 se name mijo to gola nabu gachi beni plug in china the to gol plug in china the calculator thak nam chi tu blani di analu 2 and 1 se dumula 2 and 1 chu go tu gola na 2 and 1 chu go 2 and 1 chu the 9 thop go me thota gola 3 times 2 ki gamchi jiu so 6 moshla the let 2 times 1 ki gamchi jiu so 2 6 plus 2 is 8 9 me thobe so this option is incorrect say thom transfer ngachi shi tu gola ana chunila 3 times 4 digam chimola 12 mola 2 times 5 digam chimo 10 10 plus 12 will give you 22 ani membe se thom transfer shi mosla ngachi the next digam name so 3 times 3 9 mosla the 2 times 1 kamchi thop langa che 9 plus 1 is 10 this is also not true the ani na joni tu gola 3 times 1 digam chimola 3 mosla 3 times 1 is 3 x ki sama 1 chuni de moshla 2 times 3 kam chimo 6 moshla so 1 plus 6 3 plus 6 will give you 9 the option de ani correct in say tham transfer shi tu ko la ansum question oma chin jam ton to yi na bu gi just plug in be beta ni chirai lani ya dira mengo la ma dira mengo me la calculator na thak su bet ta ro tu plani ani ansum question de na bu gi ani elimination jabilo ani se shuma da tu ko la okay da 17 na joge tu pushla in a school 20 students like basketball se dumela basketball gami gamchi du sajin basketball gami de 22 to gola dele 18 students like football gami gamchi du football gami de 18 du to gola dele 25 gi gamchi kai gachi kai sajin tennis kai la 25 with the tennis to gola dele of them 9 students like basket and football basket and football ni chara tap chika be gami di gamchi ani di ngai venn diagram dige to bola ani be ma ani be anzum chi na bu je jo hema anzum ji mola ta analo basketball football dele tennis se mosla tennis se ani be bola tennis se ta ani be dulu simply ani be da to bola basketball 20 su jana to bola da to dele football 18 to bola tennis 25 dele gachi du so 9 students like basketball and football so 9 gi kai mosla dele next gachi me 10 students like football and tennis thi anamela 10 students to bola khoni circle ni ani intersect besa yin to bola dele 12 students like basketball and tennis ki circle de anu yobade mola khoni analu common de anadu so ani bodulu analu 12 mosla dele if 5 students like all the games with ana diungla banalo to bola and 6 like none sevajin 6 ti ani chiga deu box ki chiga to bola ana 6 ti chiga be deu to bola ani deu ma ba diagram di ansum diagram di thete de ansum diagram ra na ho thete di ansum word na be na me to bola ta anjina di gaji be go so jam to to bola ani ngai da to question tar do mela ngaji gaji be go so ani add be na to bola 20 plus 18 plus 25 be na minus gaji ne mo so ani double be kami di to bola 9 plus 12 plus 10 jab na plus gaji chap ne mo so ana ba na gi di to bola plus gaji chap ne mo 60 chap na to bola answer kam ji thobela ani be to lugar gi zina ani be chap ni chirai la hemra di hemanga chi ani add be ni to bola re kami di 20 18 25 dele double kami di tenga chi minus chap bracket na chu be ani chu ni dele plus ani chu dele plus 6 chi khai di chu ni to bola answer kam ji themela ni zina sa chi zina 20 38 plus 25 30 40 50 50 63 te chi themela na 63 minus anal kam ji themela anale 10 20 22 31 de joma gala 31 plus 11 de ji so 63 plus 11 is 74 11 bedalu kamchi mo answer de josu ba ngagi di 31 bedalu 43 anim chi me answer answer anim chi themela answer am chi ten to bola answer kamchi theme se wajin answer is 43 themela 43 to bola 43 theme ani be zena to bola namna se ansum question om bachin ja sani be re gami gara add be dele double be mi di minus 2 be bracket na chu na to bola